Hope you're doing well this morning. Today we're out in the shop. We have a little bit of a different project to work on. It's been extremely cold around here, and so much so that even with running multiple heat sources, it's just too cold to enjoyably get anything done in the shop. So this is going to sound a little silly, but it's so cold in here, I'm actually going to go outside and do some work because it's just as cold, but maybe get a little sunshine. Some of the trees on our property are getting kind of overgrown, and I always wait until winter so that all the leaves aren't on them. It's a lot easier to chop them up and take them to the landfill. So let's see what's in the box. Hope you all are doing well, getting ready for Christmas. Can't believe it's that time of year already, but here we are. Alright, what is in the box? Check this out. It's a pole saw. Ooh, it even comes with gloves. So let me get everything unpacked and then I'll show you what we're working with. Ooh, baby saw. Alright, I got everything unpacked. I've been shopping around. I've needed a pole saw for as long as we've lived here, and I've never had one. I usually use a ladder or back my truck under it and just hack what I can. There'll be a few times every year where this will really come in handy. So I started looking at some of the big brands, and they're just so dang expensive for something I'm not going to use very often. So this is the SEESII Hedge Trimmer SH300. So it's an 18 volt cordless system. So you can see it's got a little chain there. It's pretty light. So it's actually like a handheld chainsaw. The battery clips on here, so you can use it as just a trimmer by hand, which will be pretty convenient. Or it snaps on here, and then you put the battery down in the handle and use it from there. So it comes with that. This thing extends out. We'll go outside and see how far it goes. And then it also comes with a handheld hedge trimmer, which looks pretty terrifying. And so that's like a little short trimmer, and then it has like a regular style hedge trimmer. So I don't know how much I'll use this because we don't really have a lot of shrubberies, but it could be handy. The batteries really look like Milwaukee 18 volt batteries, like the way they clip in and stuff, but they're clearly not. And comes with a charger, sheaths for all the blades, extra chain, which is nice. It's a quarter-inch chain, mini 1/4. So I'll have to find out what size file that uses and where I can get more of these. I'm sure you can get through the company. A little sling, oil bottle for the oilers, and instructions. Oh, it even comes with safety glasses and some gloves. Oh yeah, so now we can be safe. So this thing is super affordable on Amazon. If you're like me and you don't, use this stuff professionally, even though I look like a professional now, check it out. So I'm kind of excited it has this little charger, because if you're like me and you have a couple different brands of tools, I get tired of having the big clunky chargers all around. It's something I'm not going to use constantly. Looks like you just charge it like that, so a little bit more compact. It comes with 2 batteries, and they need charged. It's been cold and this box has been sitting in my garage a while. So I'm going to charge them up, or at least one of them, and we're going to go out and do some property maintenance with the SEESII SH300. Alright, the battery's all charged up. Topped off a little oil reservoir with some winter blend barn chain. And we're going to go find something to chop down. Timber. Alright, there's a couple branches on our crab apple tree. They're pretty high up and they bump me when I'm mowing and stuff. So you just unlock these, slide it out to where you want it. And you got, I would say about 9 feet from the handle to the end of the chain. Let's just cut a few branches, see how it works. Then if you don't need the pole extensions, you just undo the lock and slide the saw off of the pole. Pop the battery out of the extension handle and stick it on here, and then you have a pretty handy little saw. There's a little oil tank there with a primer bulb, so I'm assuming you just give that a squirt. The chain adjustment's pretty cool too. You just unlock this and you can see the slack there. Get it dialed in where you want it and then lock it back together. And there's a little sight window here on the oil tank too. I will say though, it is for right-handed use. So I'm a lefty, so it's not an ambidextrous safety button. So if I'm holding it here, I can't really use it left-handed. So that may be a concern for some of you, but just something to keep in mind. And then you have a little handsaw. This would actually be pretty handy in the Jeep, I think. I mean, you could cut a 6-inch something or other with that. Just be careful, it's pretty aggressive. So, cool. That's gonna come in really handy this summer. There's a couple larger dead branches that are up pretty high. I don't know if I'll be able to reach them or not. This is kind of spring-loaded, so it's actually a little hard to get all the way out, but it helps it go back in better. So this one's probably about 3 inches in diameter. See if I can get it. And dead crabapple is pretty hard wood. Piece of cake. Not too shabby. I've been worried about them falling. So you can see that's pretty good size, cut right through it. Well, there you have it. If you need a little hand chainsaw, pole saw, or hedge trimmer, try out the SEESII. I think, it seems pretty good so far. As with any of my products, I'll give you an updated review. Probably start using this more towards the spring with cleanup and things like that. But if you want just something quick and affordable that you don't have to put gas in and just grab it and go when you need it, seems like a good deal. It's very affordable. Check out the link in the description. That'll give you the best price and help keep track of how many sales they get from this video, so that helps out my channel as well. More Jeep stuff coming up soon. Just got to get through this chilly season. I'll try to give you some more updates as we get closer to Christmas. I have a lot of different projects going on here that aren't involving yard work, but I'll try to keep you posted. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you later.